Chester. As representative of Nabu.
Jar Jar, look out!
Yeah, Jar Jar's annoying. Yeah, I get it. Okay, guys, I think this will be a lot of fun. This is funniest animal videos ever from the Daily Dose of Internet channel. I like animal videos, I like funny videos, and I absolutely love Daily Dose of Internet. So it certainly seems like it has all the components to make for a really fun time. We'll watch a good hunk of this, and then I'll post this, see what you guys feel about it. And if you enjoy watching this type of stuff along with me, we'll definitely watch more, especially Daily Dose of Internet. I just, again, big fan of that channel.
The funniest animal videos ever.
I like this guy's voice, too. Oh. That scared me. What's your problem, bro?
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, he went from cute to what the fuck in a heartbeat.
Why are you still here? Go away.
What a dick.
Why are you
What did that pig do? Dick, move,
still
bro.
here? Go away.
Didn't mean go away like forever.
Just coughed and farted.
That's me. Nobody laughs when I do it, though. Just yell at me.
I need an egg. Thank you.
That's quality service. Get up.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for
Kids just
directions.
having a good time. I like kids like that. Oh, wait, there you go. Move along. It's that way. Damn. And a big smile to boot. Nice. Yeah, how would you like it? You're sound asleep, someone comes yanking the blanket off you. You'd bite it back too.
He's eating my car. Maybe there's something dead on it.
Oh. Ah. All right, that was kind of gross. Oh, I love gorillas. I know the current thing now, of course, is the gorilla versus 100 men. But I've always been a big fan of gorillas, and hippos are my favorite animals. Oh, fuck this.
This sheep
And the gorilla's like, yeah, that was a dick move. What are you going to do about it? You want to fight me about it?
was stuck in a trench and
I
got
like. I
rescued.
want to watch that one again. Sorry, guys. Man, he threw some water,
The
too.
sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
There we go. And back in. Knew it. Knew it. Had to happen. She's like, why don't you leave me the fuck alone? I like the trench.
For being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now.
Ah. Oh, that's so gross. Those spitting bastards. Oh, this should be a good one.
This poor
It's
little
party
hedgehog
time.
deflated. These girls
That's freaky looking, isn't it? The hell's with his body makeup there?
found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was gonna say he
person's
comes
trying-
around. Yeah, he's gonna freak out a
By
bit.
picking up a frog.
1, 2, 3.
You did not.
Yeah, we were always, when I was a kid, we were always catching frogs. We had a creek that ran right by our house. We're always down there. They piss all the time. I think it's their defense. The arching of her back was funny. Hey, you started it. You started the conversation.
Hey, you almost done?
They're cute.
Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the bottle.
If you scale that to body size versus swallowed size, I did know a girl like that once. Wish I still did know her. Oh. We have a winner.
This
Threw his ass to the wall. Kangaroos are fun to watch fight.
streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
You thought the antlers were going to help? There you go.
A zoo installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
Those snow leopards, they're like captivating looking, aren't they? They're just amazing. Look to them. So, yeah, it's same girl made me think of.
Yo, what up, everybody? Oh, I see how it is. Rude.
Entirely rude. You ruined the part. They were obviously talking about her because everybody shut up as soon as she showed up. Yeah, they're talking shit about you.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah, see?
What would... Okay, are any of you guys animal experts? Why the hell would that be? Why was that frog? That's weird. Wow! Take that, bitch.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's
He wants the jacket.
bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
Close enough. Oh no, there we go. You know what ZZ Top says? Every girl crazy about a sharp dressed man. And that was a look. That orangutan's gonna get busy. I would make people laugh just by running. Well, the same would be true for me. People would laugh if I ran. You want getting the food out there fast enough, so he's gonna call DoorDash. Ha! Okay.
Hi.
Hi. I was like, just ignore them. What do you want to talk about?
Using this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
Now that's kind of rude. Yeah, just why? Why would you get up in their face? You know they're just gonna do that shit, spitting little shits. Little chicken is good in the morning sometimes. Breakfast. Wasn't that long ago it was an egg. That's a broken rooster. He's got a whole shit ton of issues. Yeah, he should be in special
He made a
classes.
fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And this one might have got a little close.
Ooh, a little bit. Ooh, ouch. A little singeing.
The little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
Boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. They got right over onto the mat to work out and everything? Or
This gorilla was
cleaner?
upset that
Well
their
done.
stick got stuck.
Oh no!
Hand on him. I love simians. Any type of monkeys, gorillas, and as I said, hippos. Hungry, hungry frogs. Oh boy. He should have a cape. That's like a superhero kangaroo. That was cool as shit. I like him.
Mashallah.
You know what that made me think of? What was the character's name in the old Mad TV show? The weird kid. Look what I can do. Remember how he used to do that? That's exactly what it made me think of. These are a lot of fun. Again, let me know what you guys think. Well, I'll know by comments and if you guys seem to watch the video for long periods of time, because I'd like to do more of these. I just love this daily dose of internet.